Hi, are you new in this class?
Yes, I think so. Are you too?
Kind of. I'm Ahmad. I study at Kabul University.
Oh, nice to meet you, Ahmad. I'm Zahra. I'm also at Kabul University.
Nice to meet you, Zahra. So, which faculty are you in?
I'm in the Faculty of Languages. And you?
I'm in the Faculty of Computer Science, but I like learning English too.
Really? Me too. I think English is very important for our future.
Absolutely. It helps with studying, traveling, and even finding a good job later.
Yes, and so many online courses are in English. If you know it well, you can learn almost anything.
Exactly. Also, watching movies and listening to songs is easier. You can enjoy them without subtitles.
Haha, that's true. I try to practice English every day, but I need more speaking practice.
Same here. Maybe we can help each other? Practice together sometimes after class?
That sounds like a great idea.
So, is this your first year at the university?
Yes, first year. I'm a little nervous about meeting new people.
Don't worry. I felt the same in my first year. You'll get used to it quickly.
I hope so. What do you like most about studying English?
I like how it connects you to the world. You can talk to people from other countries, read books, watch videos, everything.
Yes, that's exactly why I want to improve my English.
Maybe we can start with short conversations like this every day. It will help both of us.
I'd like that. It's nice meeting someone friendly in class.
Same here. So see you tomorrow in class?
Yes, see you tomorrow.
Bye, Zara.
Bye, Ahmad.